Hi everyone, Namaste all. Welcome to ServiceNow India. In today's video, we are going to explore one of the most powerful diagnostic tools in ServiceNow called the Performance Analyzer. If you ever face slow loading forms or unexpected lags in the UI, this tool will help you identify the exactly what causing the delay. Let's move on to the video. What is the Performance Analyzer? Okay. Like in ServiceNow, the Performance Analyzer is a troubleshooting and diagnostic tool that helps you to analyze and performance of client-side scriptings along with UI policies and other components that run in the browser when a form or a page is loaded. It mainly used to identify the performance bottlenecks in the forms and the pages. Let's move on to the next thing, like what is majorly the Performance Analyzer is. And it's a diagnostic tool in ServiceNow, like it analyzes the client-side performance on the forms majorly, provides the execution timelines for the scripts, UI policies, and glider attacks. Helps identify the bottlenecks causing the slow form loads. Generally, the capabilities of this performance analysis are measuring the form load times along with tracking the client script execution time like on load, on change, on submit client scripts, and evaluating the UI policy performance and monitoring the glide attacks calls. Majorly, we use this glide attacks calls for fetching the data toward from server side to the client side and some server responses. And majorly, it shows in the graphical timeline view of the performance. And majorly, this performance analyzer used to making some forms taking too long to load, along with some debugging multiple GlideRx calls. And if you have any heavy or repeated client scripts, it can be used regarding the performance analyzer part. And if you want to optimize the UI policies, we use this performance analyzer, and along with ensuring the smooth user experience. And regarding these things, like the performance analyzer helps troubleshoot and optimize the client side performance, and essential for admins and developers to maintain the efficiency in their platforms in the forms, and ensures a faster and smoother user experience in ServiceNow. And along with it, access the page load time data along with trends and waterfall visualizations directly from your instance. Let's move on to the PDA and show you how these performance analyzer will work in the backend. Okay, click on start building. And I want to mention a point that this is a feature which is only available in the Zurich version of ServiceNow, which is the latest version. I'll show you the version here also. If you click on this manage my instance button, like the current version of my instance is Zurich version. It only be pre-available or pre-built functionality regarding with the current version or the latest version. Just click on filter navigator, just type performance, and in application menu called the next experience developer tools, we have something called as performance analyzer. Click on this application module, and it will open in a separate tab and shows in a waterfall format or waterfall visualization. Generally, it goes regarding the duration from last 15 minutes to last 7 days. Okay, for example, if I click on last 6 hours, it shows what is done in your instance and where it is lagging and where it is having some performance issues. For example, if I click on this unified app navigation, and it shows like what is page route, and from time it shows in the timeline format and the waterfall format, and it goes towards what is total UI time and content download time also. And if you go for click on just last 7 days, we see the same trend is happening regarding with this last 7 days. Okay, let's go for last 15 minutes. It shows the same thing. If I click on this UI time, it shows how many time or how many minutes taken regarding this total UI time or the navigation time. Okay, like if you select the duration with last 7 days, it shows regarding unified navigation app along with performance analyzer. If I open this application, and it shows some page route here, like how many UI time it is calculated. If I click on again filter navigator performance analyzer, if I click on this performance analyzer here, it shows like the home page routing, like how many times, like total UI time along with the download MS time like milliseconds, and the previous along with the difference along with the trend in the waterfall format. You can see that the current the content downloaded and the total UI time in the waterfall appearance. If I click on home, it shows how much time it's taken regarding the timestamp format, along with the type like page load, along with the total UI time like seconds in the seconds, and the download along with the record. Like this is an advanced feature regarding with ServiceNow Zurich release, which can filter like time by last minutes to the last 7 days. Along with we can go for the performance analyzer, and along with content download time and total UI time. This make the ServiceNow platform very easy regarding like it's called an X-ray format for the forms. It shows you where the bottlenecks are there, and we can measure the load times along with the rendering regarding this instance. Like that's it for today. Thanks for having your time. Jai Hind.